In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset OneDrive to fix OneDrive problems, whether you're dealing with syncing issues or just want to start fresh. This quick process will help get your OneDrive back on track. To begin, let's talk about a simple yet effective technique to reset your OneDrive. First, you'll want to press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This key combination brings up the Run dialog box, a handy little feature in Windows that allows you to quickly open applications or execute commands. It's like having a direct line to your computer's main functions, so it's definitely a tool worth getting familiar with. Once you've got the Run dialog box open, the next step is to type in wsreset.exe. This command prompts your system to reset the Windows Store, which includes elements related to OneDrive as well. Carefully type in the command to ensure there are no typos, as accuracy here is crucial. After typing in the command, you'll want to click on OK. This will execute the command, and you'll notice the Windows Store process taking a moment to reset. Give it a few seconds to do its magic. This step is typically automated, and you won't need to interact further. You should soon see some signs of activity as OneDrive begins to restart. For many, this reset will be all you need to resolve minor hiccups or synchronization issues. However, if you're still encountering persistent problems, there's another step you might consider. You can uninstall and then reinstall OneDrive. Uninstalling removes all program files, which can be useful if you suspect there might be a bug or corrupted file causing the issue. To uninstall, simply navigate to your computer's settings and locate the Apps section. From there, find OneDrive in the list, click on it, and select Uninstall. Once it's uninstalled, you can easily reinstall OneDrive by downloading it from the official Microsoft website. This fresh installation often clears up lingering issues, as it resets all settings and functionalities to their default states. After reinstalling, just sign back in with your Microsoft account and you should be good to go. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can often solve the most common OneDrive issues and get back to seamless syncing and storing. Remember to keep these techniques in your troubleshooting toolkit for future reference. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and if you have any further questions or need more guidance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.